morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th. Exercise 2.1 question number 3. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me what is polynomial. Polynomial is new for you, so you can ask very easily question to me. Clear? No confusion about it. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2, so on. It is form of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term based polynomial and second, degree based polynomial. Firstly, I want to describe about term based polynomial. First, constant polynomial. A polynomial containing only one term consisting of constant is called constant polynomial. For example, minus 6, minus 2 by 3, 4 by 5, so on. Next, zero polynomial. A polynomial having only one term, namely 0, is called zero polynomial. Next, monomial. A polynomial having only one term is called monomial. For example, 3 by 4xy and 2 by 3, so on. Next, binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called binomial. For example, x square plus x, y power 35 plus 2, so on. Now I want to describe about trinomial. A polynomial having three terms is called trinomials. For example, y power 4 plus x cube plus 2, so on. Mu power 43 plus mu power 7 plus mu, so on. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Form of linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. It has 1 0, means one answer. Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has 2 zeros, means 2 answer. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. It has 3 zeros, means 3 answer. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Form of biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It has 4 or more than 4 zeros, means it has 4 or more than 4 answers. Polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe terms, coefficients, variables, operations and term and degree of polynomial. Plus minus sign is called its operations. Separated part by plus minus sign is called its terms. Alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c is called its variable. Number in front of each variable is called its coefficients. Maximum power of variable is called its degree. All is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Polynomial is very easy. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9th exercise 2.1. Question 3. Give one example of a degree 35. Binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called binomial. For example, x square plus x, y power 35 plus 2, so on. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. And of a monomial of degree 100, monomial, a polynomial having only one term is called monomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. First, y power 35 plus 2 is a polynomial of degree 35. It is a polynomial of degree 35. It means it is example of binomial of degree 35. It is binomial of degree 35. It is clear? Here y is variable, 2 is constant. Here two terms, plus is operation, 35 is degree of variable. It is clear? Hence it is polynomial of degree 35, means it is example of binomial of degree 35. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Next, y power 100 is a polynomial of degree 100. It is a polynomial of degree 100. It means it is a monomial of degree 100. It is a monomial of degree 100. Clear? Here y is variable, 100 is its degree. Here one term, only one term. Hence it is a monomial of degree 100. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Answer. Here answer. You can solve any question by the help of this solution. It is very easy. Polynomial is very easy. You concentrate your mind and learn all examples. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Solution is clear? Very good. Okay.